Now once you have it here, you need to attach your...
I think that you can do in the last, or okay, you want to do it first, right? Okay.
Otherwise it's difficult. You see, this is the part, little tricky part, but once you get it, you just have to slide it down. Here it goes, see, it goes very easily.
Press hard.
Yeah, it is gone.
Sure, kya?
Now you see this, those white screws are going and sitting in this white parts.
Mr. Navin, I think I did it right.
No,
you have done it ulta. Checker.
No. Yeah, wire either that's right.
No, that has to exactly. No, you interchange the position of the screws again. I'm telling you.
Trust me, it is the way. This is the way. So you just need this to go here and this to go here.
Oh, is it?
And now it's, see.
Cool. I think yes, Navin is right.
Presto. Now we'll take out our old rod here, and you just need to place it up on the sleeve. There it goes. Take the screw, back one. It's all torque T6, you do not worry about that. Place it here and just gently tighten it up. Don't tighten too full because then you will have problem on the other screw. So make it, it's gone half, and then take it here gently, and this goes in this hole. Tight this full as you can. You see you have some space here, and now it goes down all the way. Now your hard drive is secure, so you need not worry about the hard drive. The next part was to connect these two connectors.
First paste it properly and then connect.
So you have to take it, just
put it in the exact
how
position.
it was going.
Slowly, no. Try pushing it from the top.
You have to put it, and it comes here, and you have the two wires. So this one goes here, gently push it in, it is in. This one goes here. Gently push it in, stick it, just put some pressure and it will automatically stick. See, this is done. Now
why do you need the tape?
Just put it as it was.
No, okay.
You don't need the tape exactly, but see, when you do it perfect, you do it exactly the way it was. Just take this tape, yellow tape, it's nothing but just a yellow tape. You put it over. You may find this tape at certain different weird positions, so don't be alarmed. It's just to make sure this guy is in place. See, now it is there, all done. You need to press so that
the
it
connectors
sticks.
are all fine. You can see the connectors being connected back, and now
we need to go and reassemble this. So first thing what we'll do is to take this thing out. T6 will go back to itself because you don't need T6 right now. You need your 0. So I'll take it out from my toolkit. Have it back in. Now the tricky part comes is that you have to align it and ensure that it sticks in. Generally it should fit in without you having to do much. The way it came out, you have to just take it back. So you see there are certain things. You see it's beautifully aligns. Some pieces may give you some problem, so you just need to have a little patience here. See, this guy is not wanting to go here. He says I won't go. So let it. This is a little painful part, you know. Yeah, it goes in.
It goes in now.
Now you just press it so that you see that here that clicking sound.
Wait, make sure everything goes in and then press it. See on the sides this is bulging out here. Yeah.
You just need to make sure things are exactly where they're supposed to be, or you will have problems with the screws.
Yeah.
It goes in.
Bus.
This goes in. Check on the other side. You can see here it's bulging in.
Yeah.
You press it in. You press it in. And
no, it's bulging out here, right? No, yeah. Once you put the screws, I think it should be fine. Is it the same way?
yes.
No, it's coming out. देखो, it's बहुत bulging है ना?
हाँ, वही देखो. See, this is exactly